Hello guys, welcome in this video. In this video I will show you Develocity free climb opportunity. So I've already climbed. Here they put the link. The moment you have been waiting for has arrived. Airdrop participants, your token are now available for climbing through our site. So remember, the climb validity period is only 7 days. So don't miss out. Head over to climb your now. Get ready for Airdrop phase 2. I will share with you this thing, Airdrop phase 2, while I get any update about this inside of their website or Twitter. Don't worry about that. If you don't claim this thing, Airdrop on reward, I'm showing you how to do that. Click this link, go to your browser where you have your MetaMask, which MetaMask you connected to join their phase 1 airdrop, and their page would be pop up how many Deve token you earned entire airdrop phase on. Something like this page is now opening. Wait twice a minute. Here I'm in my room, therefore it is doing network problem. However, but I will share with you the phase 2 if you missed number 1. But check out, if you are passionate about doing airdrop, how to climb token. Maybe you did airdrop but you don't know, you never win, you don't know how to join. So here is those who don't yet claim this token. Your time is now 2 days. Do fast this thing. So here is claim your token. Click on there, connect your wallet, which wallet you connected to worked in their airdrop. Okay, connect MetaMask, get notify, something like this. Maybe if you don't understand any certain thing, feel free to comment out this video. I will be appreciate to you. I will be answer you every comment if possible. Feel free to do that. I will be appreciate to you. Switch your network if you are in out of this network. Okay, so here is I earned 700 point, means 7 Deve token. 7 Deve token you already seen in my thumbnail, maybe nearly $200. Climb token, click on there. I've already climbed. You are seeing done. You are seeing that I already climbed, decline and theory. So decline, I've already done this. If you don't, just click on there. You need to have some gas fee like 56 cent or 9 cent or oil BNB. If you don't have like less more than $1 in your BNB address, there will pop up $75 you need to claim this token. That is wrong. You need to just have $1 Roth oil BNB token, and after $1 BNB token you are gonna get, you will can claim this token just through 9 cent. However, maybe there is a lot of people asking, I already get this token. I'm showing you inside of my wallet. I get 7 Deve token. That price nearly 200, but it is pasted 100 days. Okay, it is unlocked would be after 100 days. I'm showing you. If I search here Deve, okay, I already tried to send this thing into Bitmart exchanger, but I failed. Why? Because it is not listed on any any decentralized exchange. So like if you want to like pancake swap type of thing, they are not listed yet. So This 100 days they will do a lot of things like listed on any other other exchanger, decentralized exchanger. They will develop other thing, they will give you page number 2 airdrop, all sort of thing. However, so this is the thing that I'm trying to say you in this video. If you don't yet claim, you have to reach to claim this token. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.